Welcome to Medicine Mirror, where every medicine tells its story. Have you ever wondered why some people still have high cholesterol even after taking statins? Or how a newer group of medicines can reduce bad cholesterol by up to 60% and help protect the heart? In today's video, we'll uncover the fascinating science behind PCSK9 inhibitors, how they work, who needs them, their benefits, side effects, and the latest advances in treatment. Let's get started. Before we understand PCSK9 inhibitors, we first need to understand cholesterol. Many people believe cholesterol is always harmful, but that's not true. Cholesterol is actually essential for life. Our body uses cholesterol to build healthy cell membranes, produce important hormones like estrogen and testosterone, make vitamin D, and produce bile acids that help digest fats. Interestingly, about 80% of the cholesterol our body needs is made naturally by the liver, while the remaining amount comes from the food we eat. So cholesterol itself is not the enemy. The real problem begins when there is too much LDL cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol, circulating in the bloodstream. Think of cholesterol like bricks. Used to build a house. Bricks are essential for construction. But if thousands of extra bricks are dumped in the middle of a busy road, they block traffic and create problems. In the same way, our body needs cholesterol, but excess LDL cholesterol can slowly build up inside the walls of arteries, forming plaques that narrow blood vessels and increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. So, how does our body normally remove this excess LDL cholesterol from the blood? The answer lies in tiny structures called LDL receptors, mainly found on liver cells. Take a closer look at your liver. These tiny structures on its surface are called LDL receptors. Think of them as hard-working cleaning workers standing at the entrance of a recycling center. Whenever bad cholesterol, also known as LDL, passes through the bloodstream, these receptors quickly grab it, pull it inside the liver, remove it from the blood, and then return to surface, ready to catch the next LDL particle. It's like a worker emptying one garbage truck and immediately coming back to collect another. As long as plenty of LDL receptors are available, your liver keeps your blood clean by removing excess bad cholesterol. But this efficient cleaning system is about to face an unexpected challenge. Meet PCSK9, a tiny protein produced by the liver itself. At first glance, it may seem harmless, but this small protein has the power to change the entire cholesterol cleaning system. Let's see what happens when PCSK9 meets an LDL receptor. Now let's meet PCSK9. PCSK9 is a protein naturally produced by our liver. Its job is to bind to LDL receptors and mark them for destruction. Remember the hard-working LDL receptors that remove bad cholesterol from the blood? When PCSK9 attaches to these receptors, they are destroyed instead of being recycled back to the liver surface. As a result, fewer LDL receptors are available to remove LDL cholesterol. This causes more bad cholesterol to remain in the bloodstream, increasing the risk of plaque buildup, heart attack, and stroke. Think of LDL receptors as cleaners. PCSK9 sends the cleaners away. With fewer cleaners, more bad cholesterol is left behind. Similarly, PCSK9 destroys LDL receptors, leaving fewer receptors to clear LDL cholesterol from the blood. So, if PCSK9 is destroying these important LDL receptors, what if we could stop it? That's exactly what PCSK9 inhibitors are designed to do. Now that we know what PCSK9 does, let's see how PCSK9 inhibitors work. These medicines attach to the PCSK9 protein and prevent it from binding to LDL receptors. As a result, the LDL receptors are protected and can be reused again and again to remove bad cholesterol from the blood. Think of PCSK9 inhibitors as a shield that protects the LDL receptors. With more receptors working, more bad cholesterol is removed and LDL cholesterol levels fall significantly. In fact, PCSK9 inhibitors can reduce LDL cholesterol by about 50 to 60%, making them one of the most effective cholesterol-lowering treatments available today. But who actually needs these medicines? Are they meant for everyone? Let's find out. Think of PCSK9 inhibitors as a shield that protects the LDL receptors. But who actually needs these medicines? Are they meant for everyone? Let's find out. PCSK9 inhibitors are not for everyone with high cholesterol. They are mainly used for people whose LDL cholesterol remains high despite taking statins. They are also recommended for people with inherited high cholesterol called familial hypercholesterolemia, or those who have already had a heart attack or stroke and need further cholesterol reduction. Your doctor will decide if these medicines are right for you. So, what are these medicines and how are they taken? Let's find out. Think of PCSK9 inhibitors as a special backup team, called in only when the usual treatment isn't enough. So, what are these medicines called and how are they taken? Let's find out. There are three main medicines that target PCSK9. They are alirocumab, evolocumab, and inclisiran. Alirocumab and evolocumab are monoclonal antibody injections that block the PCSK9 protein directly. They are usually given once every 2 or 4 weeks. Inclisiran works differently. It reduces the production of PCSK9 in the liver and is given only twice a year after the initial doses. These medicines are given as injections under the skin and are usually prescribed along with lifestyle changes and statin therapy when needed. Like all medicines, PCSK9 inhibitors can also have some side effects. Let's look at them next. Like all medicines, PCSK9 inhibitors can also cause side effects, but most people tolerate them well. The most common side effects include pain, redness, or swelling at the injection site. Some people may also experience mild flu-like symptoms, headache, or muscle pain. Serious side effects are rare, but if you notice signs of an allergic reaction, seek medical attention immediately. Overall, these medicines are considered safe and effective when used under a doctor's guidance. A major breakthrough in cholesterol treatment is Lipfendra, also known as enlicitide. It is the world's first oral PCSK9 inhibitor approved by the US FDA. Unlike earlier PCSK9 medicines that require injections, Lipfendra is taken as a once-daily tablet. It works by blocking the PCSK9 protein, allowing more LDL receptors to remove bad cholesterol from the blood. This innovation could make PCSK9 treatment more convenient for many patients. US Food and Drug Administration. With exciting innovations like Lipfendra, the future of cholesterol management is becoming simpler and more convenient. Availability may vary from country to country, so always consult your doctor about the treatment options available in your region. PCSK9 inhibitors are changing the way we treat high cholesterol by helping the body remove more bad cholesterol from the blood. With newer innovations like Lipfendra, cholesterol treatment is becoming simpler and more convenient. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Medicine Mirror. Stay curious, stay healthy, and remember,